How to change Apple account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Sign Out. Enter your Apple account password over here to turn off Find My iPhone. After that, tap on Turn Off above. You have now successfully signed out of your Apple account. You can sign back in from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily change Apple account on iPhone. This way, you get more control over your experience on the device. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.